Have you ever wondered how certain websites and applications make money? Well, that answer just got a little clearer. This is the story of a once sweet, trusted sponsor turned sour. This is the story of Honey. December 21st, 2024, just as people were winding down their Christmas shopping, a shocking announcement rocked the YouTube community. This video draws heavily from the investigative journalism of YouTuber Megalag. Their expose, exposing the Honey influencer scam, will be linked in the description below. What is Honey? Honey is a widely used browser extension that claims to help users save money by automatically applying discount codes at checkout. Marketed as a tool that makes saving effortless, it has become a household name, with millions of users relying on it daily. But before we dive into the controversy, let's take a step back and explore how Honey started and grew so rapidly. Founded in 2012 by George Ruin, Ryan Hudson, and Brian Silverstein, Honey's initial growth was accidental yet explosive. During its early development, a bug tester leaked the tool on Reddit. By March 2014, this unexpected exposure had helped Honey amass 900,000 organic users. While Honey gained significant traction organically, the company sought even greater growth. They raised investment funds and turned to aggressive marketing strategies, most notably through YouTube sponsorships. From Mr. Beast to Linus Tech Tips, Honey spent millions to have its brand promoted by some of YouTube's biggest stars. Initially, influencers were eager to work with Honey. The company offered lucrative sponsorship deals and promised creators additional commissions through affiliate signups and purchases. This mutually beneficial arrangement seemed too good to be true. And as it turns out, it was. Enter Megalag, a YouTuber and investigative journalist who spent years uncovering how Honey truly operates behind the scenes. On December 21st, Megalag released a bombshell video exposing what he described as predatory practices by PayPal-owned Honey. The investigation revealed that Honey was systematically stealing affiliate commissions from influencers while misleading customers about discounts. Here's how it worked. When users clicked on an influencer's affiliate link to make a purchase, Honey would overwrite the original affiliate cookie with its own referral link, often through subtle actions like clicking OK on a pop-up or attempting to apply discount codes. This ensured that Honey, not the influencer, received credit for the sale. Most affiliate programs operate on a last-click attribution model, where the last interaction before a purchase determines who gets credit for the sale. By prompting users with pop-ups at checkout, even when no discounts were available, Honey manipulated this system to claim commissions that should have gone to influencers, but instead went directly into the pocket of PayPal. Another way Honey was allegedly misleading customers was through their Honey Gold, now rebranded as PayPal Rewards, program that was marketed as a way for people to make cash back on their purchases. However, Megalag found that while customers received small rewards and points, Honey pocketed far larger commissions from merchants. In Megalag's example, he used an affiliate link from NordVPN as a test. While using the affiliate link without Honey, his account would have made $35 in affiliate sales, but with Honey Gold activated, Honey gave him just 89 cents and kept the other $34 to themselves. Now you might be thinking that is pretty scummy of them, but sadly as Megalag continued to dig, the worse it got. He started to look into why the Honey extension notifies you even if there is no discounts or rewards to be had. He came to find out that just simply clicking the "Got it" button to make the notification go away was enough to allow Honey to trigger the same affiliate cookie replacement process, allowing Honey to claim yet more commissions without providing any value. I know that is a lot of information, but it boils down to this. Honey was doing everything possible to get the last click and take credit for any affiliate commission possible, even as that included stealing it away from the influencers who worked hard to promote it. Now you might be asking yourself, how was Honey able to get away with it for so long before getting caught? Well, it turns out some people in the YouTube community had discussed it in posts dating back to 2020 on Linus Tech Tips website forum. Users pointed out that Honey might be taking away affiliate commissions, But that landed on deaf ears until 2022, when watchers of Linus Tech Tips started to notice the company was no longer working with Honey as a sponsor. So an interested community member asked. A staff member of Linus Media Group, LMG, then commented on the post, stating that they had ended the partnership with Honey due to the way their service interacted with affiliate links. Megalag then asked LMG directly why they didn't bring it to the public's attention. In response, LMG showed the process that they went through when ending the partnership, but gave little to no details on why nothing was done about it. Megalag was not happy with that response and pushed them more, but no further emails were answered. While LMG didn't speak out, there was one big YouTuber who stated on camera that something with Honey just didn't feel right, and that was Markiplier. Markiplier said in a video dating back to 2020 that Honey had reached out to him for a sponsorship, and that he turned them down because he couldn't fully understand how they were making so much money from a free product. Here's part of that clip.
That nothing in life is free, so where's all these savings coming from?
Markiplier would later take to X to share a snippet of that video with the heading of "I was right." Honey themselves were even fairly open to the tactics they were using, and seemed okay with it according to Megalag's findings. Now, like myself, you may be thinking this is the end of the story, but not quite. After more extensive research, Megalag noticed that even on sites that had no discount codes according to Honey, a simple web search would tell otherwise. For example, users might see a 5% discount through Honey while missing out on publicly available codes offering 30% off. Even when users submitted better codes to Honey's database, there was no indication they were ever added or shared with others. This practice benefited merchants in Honey's partner program by discouraging customers from seeking better deals elsewhere, contradicting Honey's core promise of helping users save money. As of the filming of this video, neither PayPal nor Honey has issued an official response to these allegations, despite mounting public backlash. The controversy has reignited calls for greater transparency in digital tools, like browser extensions, and highlighted the risks of relying on automated services for financial decisions. At the end of Megalag's video, he does lead on that there is more to this story, and will likely be released in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for more.